In case you're wondering, mastering in case statements in English. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving deep into a special part of conversational English, in case statements. This is an essential tool for making indirect requests and offers. With it, your English will sound more natural and fluent. So, let's get started. In case is a term we use when we want to talk about doing something as a precaution or to be prepared for a particular situation that might occur in the future. It's a way of planning ahead and showing consideration in our communication. Let's look at an example. I'll bring an umbrella in case it rains. Here, you're taking an umbrella not because it is raining now, but because it might rain later. You are planning ahead and being prepared. Now that we understand what in case means, let's look at some of the most common situations where we might use these statements. Situation 1. Traveling. Traveling involves a lot of preparation and uncertainty, so we often use in case to plan ahead. Example: I will take a map in case we lose signal on our phones. Situation 2. Health and safety. When we talk about health or safety precautions, in case statements come in handy. Example: keep a first aid kit at home in case of an emergency. Situation 3. Social events. During social events, we might want to cater to different people's preferences or unforeseen circumstances, and in case statements are perfect for this. Example: I will make a vegetarian dish in case some guests don't eat meat. Situation 4. Academic or work scenarios. In case can be used in academics or the workplace to plan for possible changes or needs. Example: I'll save our work on a separate drive in case the computer crashes. Now, it's time for you to practice. Try to come up with your own in case sentences for each of the situations we've discussed. The more you practice, the more natural these statements will become in your conversational English. There you have it. I hope you now feel more confident about using in case statements in English. They're a great way to express preparation and consideration, making your English sound more fluent and natural. So, keep practicing, and don't forget to stay tuned for our next lesson in this series on conversational English. Happy learning!